Today we will speak about relatively new and one of the important dose-efficient STEM imaging techniques. Optimum Bright Field Scanning Transmission Electron Microscopy, OBF STEM. We can see is an atomic resolution image of the MOF-MIL 101 crystal along less than 110 projection. It is quite clear that OEM systems is not capable to handle even approximated measurement of atomic metal organic MILCR structures. Main problem with OEM, not a signal strength, although we are capable to enhance it quite sufficiently as you could see, but absence of suitable models. Our approach is much more flexible, allowing creation of the recipe for approximate detection of benzene 1 for dicarboxylate patterns. Please observe stable detection and measurement of benzene 1 for dicarboxylate BDC ligands. We are performing this task in measurement batches. Benzene rings measurement, in red, accounted for 110 patterns to measure in one batch. We also performing an additional measurements on small chromium clusters around green and yellow markers. Overall measurement amount performed on one image is about 1320 measurement completed in less than 2 minutes. Yields 50 milliseconds per measurement, inner plus outer. Measurements not optimized. We just demonstrating capability of Uni Measurement Hub software to get size variation of benzene and chromium clusters. We are using this case just for demonstration of Uni Measure Hub software capability to handle measurement of complex structures. Thank you for attention.